can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin SUI. SUI is currently trading around $1. The altcoin market is showing signs of life over the last 1 week and the last 1 month. SUI has rallied up by 10% over the last 1 week. With a market cap of $3.89 billion, we look at SUI's valuation against the US dollar. On a weekly time frame, is this the best time to be buying altcoins? How high can SUI possibly go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll also look at SUI's performance against Bitcoin, SUI's performance against Ethereum, and finally, we'll look at SUI's market cap. With SUI's market cap sitting at the $3.89 billion level, can it get to $10 billion, maybe higher than that? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. SUI, currently with a market cap of $3.89 billion, has a total supply of 10 billion tokens, and we have 3.89 billion of those tokens in circulation. SUI's all-time high happened on the 6th of January 2025. We saw SUI trading for as high as $5.35. Right now, SUI is down 81% from that all-time highs. The last few months has seen a lot of altcoins dump into Goblin Town. Is this a good time to be buying altcoins? If you look at what SUI has done through the years, SUI usually has its own time in the sun. When the market is trending, when the market is bullish, you want to get some SUI for yourself. We have seen SUI go to as low as the $0.36 level, but then we have also seen it rally up to as high as $5.3. We represented a 1,300% pump to the upside. That's the kind of pump we want. That's the kind of gains we want to see in our portfolio. But then we have to be able to buy the dump. The market goes in different phases. We have the dump times, we have the pump times. The dump is the bear market, the pump is the bull market. If you can buy in the bear market, the market rewards you during the bull market. Now, key levels to watch out for SUI in the coming days and the coming weeks. We have seen SUI find support around that $0.82 level. The market has been bearish over the last few months. The altcoin market has suffered, has underperformed against Bitcoin. For SUI, since January of 2025, SUI went from its all-time high of $5.46. We have seen SUI lose more than 84% of its value in the process. A lot of these altcoins are very, very volatile, guys. Volatility is the future in the altcoin market. If you look at SUI's price history, there has been a lot of times it has more than multiple 50% dump to the downside. After SUI was launched, we saw it dumping by around 74%. And even though it recovered before it went to new all-time highs, we saw SUI taking a chill pill, also dumping by another 77%. So altcoins dumping 70%, 80%. Some of these altcoins could even dump 90%, 99%, and in the nearest future, you see them recover, pumping to higher prices. Now, SUI has found support at that $0.82 level, and that key region to watch out for SUI in the coming days and the coming weeks will be around the $2 region. We have seen SUI have reactions to that price region in the past. I don't think this time will be different. I think maybe, just maybe, as we're rallying to higher prices, that $2 level is going to be very, very critical for SUI. If we can rally past the $2 level, then we might face some difficulties around the $4.3, $4.5 region, and that will be the last resistance level before we rally to new all-time highs. From where we're currently trading, for SUI to make a move to new all-time highs, we're going to see SUI pump by more than 354%. I know how volatile the cryptocurrency markets can be. The 354% pump to the upside is nothing to write home about. Can happen in the twinkle of an eye, can happen in 24 hours, can happen in 1 week. That's how volatile these altcoins can be. SUI has done it in the past. It has rallied from $0.98 level. We have seen SUI go back to new all-time highs, and it took just 112 days. I don't think SUI is going to zero. I believe the bottom is near. We might be in the bottom. We might still fall lower, but I'm not going to be shocked if in the next few weeks we see SUI trading at a higher price from where it's trading right now. Remember, guys, you are playing the game in the market, and the game is to buy as low as possible, to sell as high as possible, to buy when there's fear in the market, to sell when grade returns back to the cryptocurrency market. You want to get some SUI for yourself? You can get some SUI on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, on OKX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some SUI tokens right there. Now, if you look at SUI's performance against the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin, SUI usually outperforms Bitcoin when the market is bullish, but the inverse is also true. SUI underperforms against Bitcoin when the market is bearish. After SUI was launched, we saw it dump into gobbling down against Bitcoin, losing 80% of its value. But then it had its own time in the sun, outperforming Bitcoin, and that's why we're buying these altcoins, guys. We're buying these altcoins for when they will outperform Bitcoin. We saw SUI outperforming Bitcoin by 480% in just 154 days. But since January of 2025, SUI has been a downtrend against Bitcoin, against the US dollar, and against Bitcoin. We have seen SUI down by 76%. I'm waiting for that trend right now to start, where we'll see SUI outperforming Bitcoin, pumping to higher prices. Right now, market participants are scared, and historically, when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, when prices are low, when you're hearing that all coins might be going to zero, has always been a good time to buy. If you look at the crypto fear and greed index, you see that we have been gripped by extreme fear for a few months right now in the cryptocurrency market. I don't think this time is different. I believe this is a once in a lifetime opportunity the market is giving us. So don't be shocked, guys, if in the nearest future you see SUI being among the biggest gainers. If you look at SUI's performance against Ethereum, similar price action to his performance against Bitcoin. When the market is bullish, SUI is dumping to gobbling town. When the market is bullish, SUI is pumping aggressively to the moon, outperforming Bitcoin, outperforming Ethereum. But when the market is bearish, you see SUI dumping to gobbling town. Since April of 2025, SUI has been dumping to gobbling town against Ethereum. We have seen it lose 78% of its value. So don't be shocked, guys. In the next few days and the next few weeks, you see SUI rallying to higher prices, a 50, 100%, maybe even as high as a 300% pump for SUI's valuation against Ethereum will be a welcome sign. Now, according to altcoin season index, we're not yet in an altcoin season. Guys, you know what an altcoin season is? An altcoin season always happens when altcoins have outperformed Bitcoin over a 90-day period. Right now, Bitcoin is down 90%. A lot of altcoins are down more than 90% over the last 90 days. But I will not be shocked, guys, if altcoins are taking over, because on a monthly time frame, you can clearly see altcoins are starting to outperform Bitcoin. Don't be shocked to see a lot of these altcoins having gigantic moves in the coming days and the coming weeks. If you look at SUI's market cap, which is very, very important, no matter how you look at the price chart, the US dollar price chart, you need to pay attention to the market cap chart. For SUI's market cap, we have seen it get to as high as $15.8 billion. Right now, SUI's market cap sits around the $3.8 billion level. SUI found support around $3 billion. We have not seen the market cap go lower than that since January of 2025. In the coming days and the coming weeks, one key level where SUI's market cap might find some resistance, where we might see SUI take a chill pill, is going to come in around that $7.5 billion level. And from where we're currently trading, that will require SUI to pump by 100%, which can happen in the twinkle of an eye. If you look at the altcoin market, when we start seeing pumps, those pumps come very, very quickly. When we start seeing the altcoin market rally, they usually outperform Bitcoin. And I believe we're getting very, very close to that time where altcoins outperform Bitcoin. And I believe whales are currently buying, accumulating at record-setting pace. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. SUI right now is trading around the $1 level with a market cap of $3.91 billion. Are you buying SUI tokens right now? Do you believe we'll see SUI setting new all-time highs anytime in the nearest future? Do you believe in the school of thoughts that we're going to be dumping to gobbling town? Or are you buying, getting ready for that epic altcoin season? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.